Hey y'all, it's your girl Fatima E back with another video. This was recorded a long time ago, but the knowledge about how to do a flawless glueless install on a frontal wig can definitely still be applied. I will be dropping some gems about the process for the girlies who want to make their wig last longer. Going glueless will allow you to reinstall and reuse your wig many more times than if you were to go with glue, because every time you go to revamp and reinstall a wig that has glue on the lace, it balls your lace a little more each time you rewash and revamp. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe to your girl so I can help you prolong your wig. Although my wigs do last up to a year and a half, going glueless will allow your wig to last even longer. So this wig I'm working with today is a 13x6 frontal custom 30-inch wig unit. It was customized by me, and I have the link in the description box below if you would like this specific custom color or any other color or wig preferences. So I begin by getting all of my products I'll be using, which is Spritz Liquid Holding Spray, your Mesh Foundation or Concealer. The one I use is from Born This Way in the shade Maple and is both a concealer and foundation. I also use a makeup brush to spread the product on both my wig cap and my wig lace. After I get all of my products and I spread all of the makeup onto my wig cap and wig lace, I follow by using a Noxzema pad to clean all the excess makeup from around the cap that's on my forehead. A Noxzema pad is just what I use, and it is okay to use on my skin. Some other alternatives can be alcohol or witch hazel, really anything that'll clean your skin. Y'all, do not mind me. I'll be goofy when I'm excited, lol. Like, who don't get excited when they finna install a bomb wig? Then I let that dry and get ready to apply the spritz. I start by making sure all of my edges are put away under that cap and put the wig on to see where I need to apply the spritz. So yeah, as you can see, I'm basically trying to see how the wig will sit on my head and also trying to see how much forehead I want to have out. LOL. Then I just apply a generous amount of spritz in the front part of my forehead so I can do it in sections. You want to let the spritz get a little bit tacky before you apply the wig. Not fully tacky, not fully dry all the way, but just a bit so that when you apply the lace, it just sticks on there. Then press the lace into the spritz and then just move on to the next section. After you do one side, I would suggest you make sure it's fully dry before you go over to the other side of your head, because it can pull it up really easily. So just make sure you get your blow dryer to really get it fully dry, and then you are good to go on to the next section. So do keep in mind you can add more spritz if necessary, or if you want some extra precautions, just to make sure you feel like it really holds. It doesn't really matter if you go to apply it above the lace or under the lace. It doesn't matter. The only thing you have to watch out for is the buildup of the spritz. It would just make the hair hard. It wouldn't like make it any color or anything, like no white color or anything. It would just make the hair harder, and you can get that out by using some mousse or just by combing it out. And as you can see, I'm doing my edges with the spritz as well. It's literally multi-use. You can use it for just about the whole process. After you get done with all of the sections, you want to find you an old scarf or something that you can tie up the lace with, and then go in with another full blow dry just to make sure it's fully dry. And then after that, you can get right into doing your edges. Okay, y'all, when I get into the edges, do not come for me because this is an older video, and back then I just felt like I did not need to cut too much of the hair to do my edges, so I didn't cut them too much. I just really cut the parts that was closer to the ears, and I would just slick them back into the wigs. So don't be like me, y'all. Cut y'all edges. They don't need to be that long, and yeah. If you're one of the girls that don't like your edges to be stuck onto your skin, you don't have to leave them like how I did. You can brush them out. It'll still be in the same shape that you had shaped them when you did your edges. After you get done with your edges, I use the mousse wrapping lotion, foam wrapping lotion, to lay down my flyaways. And then I didn't do anything extra to my curls because I like them in the natural wave looking style. And yeah, that was it. If this video helps you in any way, please make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell because I will be uploading more consistently. And leave a comment below if you want any additional tips or you just want to show some love. Thanks for tuning in.